Hi all, how are you? I hope you all are fine, good in good health, and congratulations for this because many did not get the opportunity to be fit as you are. So my name is Naresh Kumar, and I'm a trainer, mentor, and coach. I'm actually helping you to prepare for your interview to make you ready for any kind of interview, not only for one interview or two interview or any specific industry. You can be ready for all the industry, whether you are in IT, whether you are in edtech, you are in in a service industry or whichever industry you are applying for, you will be ready for that. So I'll be just talking about 3-4 points which can, with this you can get a confidence and which is highly practical and you can apply in yourself. It's not very it's not very tough, it's very simple. You just need to realize it and work upon it and you can do it. Very simple. Now I'm talking about the confident. Now how you can get the confident actually? To get a confident is very simple, just 3-4 things. First one is that you need to do your homework first and foremost, whatever your homework is. Now what can be your homework before going to your interview? Just know everything about the organizations, who is the owner, what products are there, everything. Like whatever products has been launched which is doing very good, everything you need to know about it. Second thing is that whatever you're speaking, you need to speak fluently. Now how it can be done? You need to practice. How to practice? Keep a mirror. In front of the mirror you just practice. If somebody is there who can help you, please take the help, and if nobody, then mirror can help you. And everybody is there, everybody is having one mirror, small or large, everybody is having. So practice in that way, and please do perfect practice. Not even if you do imperfect practice, at least you will get confidence, because we are talking about the confidence. So confidence can be generated that way also, by doing again and again. Yeah. So you need to do the homework, and then you need to do practice, and practice every day, every time. And then next will be coming the way of delivery. From that, your conviction has to be judged. Whatever you are speaking, you have to speak with conviction. Now what is conviction? Conviction is, you must be convinced by your own whatever you are saying, your own words, whatever you are giving statement, whatever you are like proclaiming, everything must be with conviction. It should not be like perhaps, maybe, hope so. No, you must be conviction. And then and with confident, then only the confidence will reflect. Second thing, you must have the authority over it. So whatever you are speaking, speak with authority. Now what is authority? How it you can get? Now authority word comes from the author. Author are those who have written a book. Now from writing book, they become an author, and from author it has become. And why they are called author? Because they have the authority, they have the command over it, whatever they have written. Same way, whatever you are speaking, whatever answer you are giving, whether it is hypothetical question or answer, or any answer you are giving based upon your own life, something unknown topic, in the question interviewer is trying to judge you. Whatever you are saying, be with conviction, be with authority, and then the confidence will reflect by itself. So this thing you need to do, it's very important. Is implement it in your day-to-day life, even not only for the interview, in your day-to-day life also you implement it. It will help you in the long run. So whatever you speak with convictions, with authority. First you must be believed, you must have the belief upon it, whatever you are saying. Your leg should not shake. Obviously it shakes, but you should not feel like inside like fear that if I get wrong. No, that should not happen. You feel inside that it may be wrong. No, if it is wrong, then please don't speak. You must have a complete knowledge, have the complete knowledge, and then you speak. That way the conviction will come, that will the authority will come. Whatever you, that's why you need to learn every day, learn everything. Whatever you're getting, learn and learn from wherever you're getting a book or magazine or whatever you are reading, ebooks, anything you are reading, just gain the knowledge. And first and foremost, for your interview, please know about yourself first. Find out, do the SWOT analysis, know about the company, organization, everything. Know about yourself, what you like, what you don't like, what your hobby, how you can mold it, how you can present in a better way. Practice in front of a mirror. Please do this one. Confidence will come automatically. That way you'll get the confidence. It won't take much time. Just practice. So that's all. This thing if you do, you are good to go. And the interviewer, what he will do, it will just check the first 30 seconds. First 30 seconds you are fit, you are most welcome. He's already made up his mind that you are fit for the job, and then you are you will already get the job. So first 30 seconds you need to be very confident, and not only for 30 seconds. You need to have the confidence throughout the session. Sorry, you need to have the confidence throughout the session. And even if you couldn't do the first 30 seconds, no problem. Please try and just show your confidence in the other. The rest of the time, because it's very important. Because it does not mean that first 30 seconds you could not do, then later on you are totally rejected. No, you'll get the time. And it also happens that first 30 seconds couldn't speak properly, so interviewer also becomes very comfortable with you. And what happened when you see the interviewer becoming comfortable with you and he's talking very friendly, you also become friendly. Please don't do this. Interviewer is becoming friendly just to make you comfortable, because you are too nervous. Just to make you comfortable, he is becoming comfortable with you, he is becoming nervous, he is becoming friendly. You don't become, just to make you comfortable. So just to make you comfortable, so that take out the best out of you, he's becoming he's becoming flexible actually. But please, you be professional. You have to represent throughout the interview. You have to be professional, be confident, and that way you'll be able to get this selected. So that's all for today. I won't take much time because time is very precious, and within shortest time how much you can learn, that's very important actually. So that's all. Please implement this thing, whatever I told you. Let's recap what we have learned actually. So you need to do your homework, do all the homework, the knowing about the company and knowing about yourself. Second is practice in front of the mirror, or somebody, if there is somebody who can help you, just practice more and more. Speak with authority, speak with convictions, right? Conviction, how it will come, whatever you're speaking, speak with authority. If you have a complete knowledge, please, then only you say, otherwise please don't say, because that way you'll be caught. So speak with authority, speak with convictions, and these things if you follow, done, you'll be selected. So all the best for that. See you then. Bye bye.